Bridge Wireless Solutions, we're out of Canada. We've got our head offices in just outside of Toronto in Canada, and we've got another office in Birmingham in the UK. We've been in business since 2016. We buy, sell, repair, refurbish. We do a lot of back-end work for the operators as well as retailers. And we're Canada's largest agnostic device returns facility. Really heavy in Apple product as well as the Samsung product, but a bit of a diversity through the other products as well. I think it's going to be great. The market is increasing. Certainly the secondary market is increasing as the value of devices increases. So I think we're very optimistic as to what we're going to see in 2020. It's a great network. We're very happy to be a part of it. We joined a couple of years ago, so this is our second year actually displaying, and we're really happy with the outcome. It's certainly a great venue for us to be able to promote our company to individuals and companies around the world really that we may never reach. So it's been a great network.